dangerous thing this year. Lord have mercy, massive. When you look here, now people them house, people them yard. Cheese and peas, see the kids everywhere. See them house here? Underwater. How far Dolly this? Dolly, you not afraid of water? Old Harbour Bay far from?
Yeah.
Stop and chat to me now, man. We are run go, man. Nobody run go. Yeah, no beautiful girl, no shy, man. Talk to me a little bit. So, which part you end when it's time going?
In my house.
Eh? A rackle? Where you say wrap up with Ozzy?
Yeah.
Tight! Oh, so which part of the roadway? So we just walking in the water? Cheese and peas. Hold on, let me catch what I want. I can't mean business today. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Why, Raj, you don't look good. So now we're ready for swim? Yo. Bro. Jaja no. Jaja no. Yo. Old Harbour Bay on now going good. Jaja no. Place underwater. Yeah, my godfather. Jaja no. Wait, there's a bulldozer walk through here, so. Yo, Raj. Is a bulldozer take it away? Yeah, man. Noel. Yeah. And a normal thing this man. Watch out. Fence step on grung in a brother.
Watch the nail here, no?
Yeah, watch nail. I mean just a slide the whole day, bro.
Watch nail.
Watch out, man. Watch out, man. Watch out, man. Watch out, man. Massive. Melissa did Old Harbour Bay. Wicked, bro. Them a place and have no roof. No honor there, so. Everything gone with the storm. Watch out, man.
I think around us look like a cannon, dog.
One cannon, what that?
No, look like a cannon around it.
Oh, never you said this a fridge in there. Yo, some people feel it, you know, brother. Watch all the big buck here. Yo. People have to evacuate, you know, dog. Watch out, man. Cheese and peas, massive. Yo, Old Harbour Bay, no good again, bro. This is just one little pass. I couldn't pass a place because we passed a while ago and some police. He actually did out on the front and make sure the place is secure and things. I say people have to lift up from them places, man. Yo, Old Harbour Bay done for so massive. Big up and welcome to Jamaica Walk by another episode and thing. Oh my word, the place blow down. Big up to everybody who joined the video right now. You don't know we have Raj. You know what I mean? I got for Jamaica seas and waters. No joke. Where one Noel there? No, sir. I did a bakery.
People in born in this one.
You don't know. Noel, great magnet fishing Jamaica. Otherwise, you don't know. Yo, Noel. A mad sitting massive. Yo. Melissa no deal with them people. They are good. No time at all, bro. A joke thing. Jaja know. So massive with the Old Harbour Bay. And we're going to give you a little walk through Old Harbour Bay if you see what a place look like after Hurricane Melissa. You understand? No joke. Fire. Blessings and respect. So, big up to everybody who joined the video. Big up to all Cameron family and the team. We are making a little walk through. Check what go on. Pre-war go on. And so you don't know what they are with. Noel as usual. And I don't know. And the great man himself, Raj. Yeah, man, with there. Old Harbour Bay. First time in Old Harbour Bay?
No, sir, I come down here before me and come and link up and go do some hunting and all that.
Oh, with the blouse and skirt?
First time I ever come here when Star and everything and a beer down here mash up.
Mash up.
Yo,
you know, it's normal. It's not normal. Sure. All right. About a first I go down and walk through like this and with the see what go on. First I there, sir?
First I come down here, sir. Never come down here, sir.
And someone see there, so you throw magnet and beer things, brother?
Right, sir. You go all about here and come down here, sir.
Yeah. Jaja, no. All right, make you go walk through, make you see what go on.
Yeah.
See what Melissa deal with. Down at this side. So massive, this is Old Harbour Bay. This place is located in the parish of St. Catherine. You see me I say? St. Catherine, the place there. In a nice community called Old Harbour. But massive, as I say, it don't look good. A whole heap of things go on with the hurricane. I just go see what go on, boy, and capture a few things. Watch a pool of water, this is down in another lane and we want to go. We go towards Cameron HQ and thing. Manners, big up. Yes, is it? Yeah. So, we are going through the ends here and thing. We are going to show the Old Harbour Bay. That's a nice walking tour as we see when Melissa did car. Trust me, we love that the water run off, you know, which is great. And that a code. Because recently, when I look all in them place here, water there everywhere, bro. Water like, whoa, everywhere. You can't see nothing. So good that the water run off all of them yard there, did underwater, bro. All of them yard did underwater. See people still button up, them not take off yet. Me wouldn't do that either. You see me? I go and wait. Yo, Jaja know. Who feels it knows it. Eh? Yeah man, see right there, someone. Hello, good day, good day. Where pass you? You go through your storm good? You go through your storm good?
So far I'm alive, thank God.
Thank God. We just walk through freelance sketching a few little things and showing people them how the place stay, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah man, God is good all the time. Blessings and respect. You never flood out?
No, darling.
God is good no man. Blow in and thing. Jaja no. Alright, take it easy. That's great. Yeah man, me know a lot of person down here never so fortunate, you know? Jaja. Further down. Why? So yeah, Noel.
Yeah.
Set away, you know?
Yeah.
Jaja.
But all them board was there.
Yeah, bro. Call them aside. Yeah, by the looks of things. Look, man. No people yard and thinking about, boy. Crazy water. Yo. I don't have nobody there about. Can it look like say, most of them people are going to need some assistance too, you know, because watch out that house, zinc top gun pan the part there. And sit. Charge now. Godfather, what go on? Big up yourself and respect. Well, we just walk through and see what go on. And I mean, I do a little reporting to see how the people then stay. You don't know people who are going to need help. People who are going, you know what I mean? That's the world works. Seal it now, man. Oh, you hold it out.
Right now, you know that they also me sleep right through his time, you know.
Jesus and peace.
And 2 grandpeople with the yard there right now, and my son and my daughter.
And daughter-in-law.
Yeah, and the road.
Godfather, what go on?
Get up and we fix you up since morning.
But I work like robot, man.
So when your house stop, one part they lift off since morning. The whole of
Since morning?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you know easy. How come this time gone and you still have place to lift up? And when it's time in there, you lift up?
And since morning we fix
Since morning you fix it?
Yeah, you know, listen what
I true, you're frightened me. Come and say,
listen what we are
that's true, man.
But officially, me, this year man, here, 2 local people me have a yard. 1 girl and my son, this a youth and 2 more youth in a left lane.
Jaja, no, me.
All the storm right through.
Bro, me
Night
forward
and
down here
day.
before it storm hit. And the whole of them placed underwater, especially around and towards the village.
Yes, so we there. Right, yes, so we
So
there.
water not full up in
No, sir, no water no going on my house, you know. See girl here, me and him and 2 local people.
Good day, my friend.
1 a 4 and 1 a 6.
1 and 6.
And then a left.
You not going in the house?
You know, tear down a fence and lift up 2 sheets of zinc round the side. We put it down and you lift up. Then 2
Jaja, no. Why, I'm sorry for no found down here, because I tell you, I'm forward for showcase what I go on. So, what the man name? What your real name?
My name is Owen Squire, you know. I'm fishing from 1980, you know.
Eh?
All during this time or something, we're gone before burial compound, the 3rd of July, right on my birthday.
On your birthday?
Yeah, burial
What a wicked star, man.
That 2025 there. Yeah?
You know, say,
24.
me like how you are reason and thing. Give me a number now that if person can reach out to you if they want to get an assistant, man.
My number 843 6279.
Yeah.
Yeah. But all during this time, me do everything and I never get a help from the government yet.
Never.
Never.
Tell it, say number again.
8465.
And me and him, and 1 little girl. Where Casey and there?
Yeah.
They'll show you. And me and him,
Wall out
this a
it.
little boy here, and this a little girl here. See there?
Give me a touch now, youth. Big up yourself.
We no fix up,
Big up
nothing.
yourself.
Me a say, man.
Garbage, they all both, we no clean up. I zinc them, we are get out back. And something to get them back up to here.
Yeah.
Understand? See the 4-year-old.
I can see her.
Come here, touch me now, man.
She a stick.
Give me a touch.
She a tree.
And then I look up
That's a code, man.
Tree. She enough.
Boy,
to his stamp, bro.
right, sure. Why God is good for sister on a wall it out and on a safe and them thing there.
Listen,
Yeah, brother.
Little assist, you can make me get
Yeah, brother.
I appreciate it, brother.
That a code. So massive. Listen, I'm imploring on all my supporters, anybody at all where you see my video, where you can render any of your support to, look on the place. All of them water, you know, we have kids here growing up, so you know, say, yeah.
I fence and them and so.
Jaja know, bro.
I could mash up all them and so. I feel like a puppy that.
You're a little puppy. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Big up yourself, my sister. Everything good? Yeah, go and hold it. Yo, me like see you and make you transfer some energy. Meet up in the water, transfer some energy. Big up yourself and heart of love. Touch me good, man. That's a code. Me I try to see if we can show people them what go on and we try to get some help.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, man. So we just try to do an episode in a Old Harbour Bay, show the people them what go on and the severity of the situation. Yeah, but you know, so we actually there's some other location, a whole heap of people, you know. So we just try to get what we can get. You know, my Godfather.
Yeah, man.
What, yeah, some people now have no all stop. No all stop, furniture, TV, everything mash up. You understand? So at least for some where we still can stand up and still see we roof on it. Boy, we still have to give thanks.
Still me give thanks, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but
Jaja know.
little things must don't.
But me have you, are you heard that of them?
Yeah, man. Mattress.
Listen, let me try to get some help for you. You see, my supporters, when me ask, you know, we here with kids. Me have a daughter and me have a son, Casey. Alright, so what's your name again?
Nikki.
Miss Nikki, what's your number? So a person see situation can reach out and say, Nikki, me have this and me have this and I want to bless you up.
Same number.
You see him number where him give me?
Yeah.
Tell me number again and I want to make sure I have it right, you know.
843
Yeah.
62 79.
843 62 79.
And my name is Owen Squire, then call me Aga.
Aga. Alright, so I'm going to take here. This is a camera. And
From your
big up yourself, Fabian my
From your
name.
come I be and say Aga.
Yeah, that's a code. Big up yourself. So massive, we're still in the Old Harbour Bay era. Oi! That's a code. So, we just go through. Auntie, me like her. Me like how she bowl. You see me? Godfather, you me that come touch and me slip and nearly mash up. But, conceal it, man, because we pass on the great energy. Big up and respect. You see me, I say, Godfather, big up and respect my bro. But let's take it easy. What's a number to? So if anybody see and want to reach out to you, give you some assistance, they can link you.
840
Yeah, 840
92 49.
9249.
Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself. Remind me of your name again.
Raymond.
Raymond. Big up yourself, man.
Maybe I want to help, I'm not going to lie to you. You know, so if I yesterday, I should have go. I sick out, you know, I'm there. Should I go take an X-ray and blood test? But I'm 2 days now, I'm going to take my medication with the doctor.
Jaja, no.
Yeah, I mean, you
Can't take medication for hungry belly, hungry stomach. Alright. You know, so when I'm done, I move from here, so I go out of the vehicle and I go on circle. You hear? Because we have to fix that. So, yeah. Man, so this is some of my disaster. Yo, look how down there, man. Yo, all them places is full of water, you know, man. Oh, Jaja. You know, no lane, brother, I pass out just saying water chump out of this like a river, you know. It run off fast. Yo, crazy destruction, brother. Yo, Old Harbour Bay get a rockle up, brother. Yo, miss one girl. Right now there's a girl over there, so still a wipe out her house, dog. Yeah. Jaja, no. Good evening. Yeah. Yo. Charlie, my place, sir. Watch it. No roof. Right, Jaja. Gone. See how somebody car so sitting there, so. See how the man down here, so zinc up. People living at them place, you know, bro.
All of them places they are flood out when you come.
Oh, yeah, bro. Which all them a place, sir? Zinc. Living like boy. Jaja no. Be a slide me a slide a dandy shandy in a dan. Oh. Right now, my father, some man a turn me have to turn back my water like whoa, jump out of the lane. Yeah, man. That house here, sure say that house here flood out because big water did over here. So. Water chump down in the lane. Yeah, boss, man. See some of the people in yard there, so. You just see our water right there, so all they can pass. No road. Yeah, teacher. Yeah. So we just reach right down at Cameron HQ. See what Cameron are deal with. Jaja no. Great Cameron. Yo. Watch out. The cleanup process I got sick. See all the HQ here. John won't start. Cameron having work cut out for him too, you know. You see, not even look normal again. See what I go on with the HQ. Alright, he get a lick still, but so far I'm still standing. Yo. Cameron! But you could have come swim like sea or something. You can't catch all like fish them right or so.
Yeah, today I come and I look and see no big fish.
Yeah, cause if some run come over, they can't come out. The mesh just grab them right back in or so.
Yeah, I tell you.
Look on the map. Look out.
Alright, see them. That's where the sun come in.
Jesus, please.
About 4 inches or so.
Only pass on that man.
Watch it.
Just a
All of
thick
this come from what I see.
yeah,
Yeah,
man, and all that sea grass and everything. And here we have millions of sea urchin. Come up. Alright, you can walk still when you finish. We know you have to walk. You can walk go down that side. Alright, you see all of them peg there?
Yeah.
Them like a peg they are about the line out on the beach go down. And them the boat them used to, the stern of the boat them
For all them.
used to tie up on. So the sea, the land in the way out to the wave there now. The wave them are great. So
That
only
change.
for the land gone.
Cameron, before me cut you,
Yeah.
why that look like one engine that's in a float over here? How that?
No, it's just a piece of white car
Hmm.
in a piece of turkey.
But
Yeah.
so
Just a float.
so can fishing go on like this with the water like
Oh, brother, it a go rough. The
Jesus.
sea match up, especially for this man. Him can't do no diving, him can't when him put on in glass now.
Can't see nothing.
Here mud.
You run so much up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On your side. Oh, what
Yeah.
I have to mash up, man.
Massive look on the HQ. But Cameron, you have to have your work cut out for you. So we have planned today. Have to take out all of them sand here back.
Yeah,
what?
man. Alright, you see us now. We'll get 2 man dig out them sand, show back out there so. And we'll get a tractor. We'll get a tractor push the sand. Them sand there.
Yeah.
Them there, the sea carry for the whole
All of them back them side there.
So we'll get a tractor, push back all of the sand go down at the sea. And dump over all of them rock there.
Jaja no.
So it's a lot of work around here. Around here we're going to need a reconstruction. Yeah, we're going to reconstruct the whole of here. So.
Why? We don't
Yeah,
know
man.
how this year go work out.
Yo, man.
Yeah, man, come here.
Yeah,
Get some
yeah,
oil and ride
and
this
one hand in the so I have to take it down. Yeah, because HQ fix up, hold it nice and we use the cloth them decorate the top, round the whole of it and all.
So now current down here, no?
Everything mash up.
No
No.
current.
Yeah, no, no current
No,
either.
JPS close off the current. And
Yeah,
I just lick out.
Right, I see it so we don't cause me see a bulletin where they say 11 o'clock yesterday.
Yeah.
Them that got turn it off and they actually
yeah,
did.
Turn off it. Then turn off it by 11.
Yeah, but now them have to go do them assessment, this everything.
Turn it on. You know
Yeah.
people can cause injury.
Yep,
Then
true,
just
true.
turn on the current and not assess. No way.
Wow,
Them
wow.
have to look for your wire them a drop down in the road and all that. When the water and
Hold it
Yeah.
like post.
Camera mirror zinc up there licking up.
Brother, me nah lie.
Yeah, when you come out and see say still standing, how you
Yo,
feel?
we are telling brother.
You feel
last
good?
night, when we there in our house last night, cause we stay at Airbnb right through, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we come back, when we there in the last night, I said to my wife, I said, yo, we not going to see back nothing, you know. But, you know, fortunately we come see the whole truck that's standing. Another truck that was around this side and the whole like
Well, come show walk one. Make you walk with the man himself. So massive.
Everything there.
Yeah, man,
Dirt,
I'm
one,
myself.
two of everything.
She's right. Cameron?
Cause the thing is,
Mine it still do half enough.
nah, come on. What's here, you know, the concrete, the wall, the bottom of the whole thing, so I post them in a concrete.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, so all I post them in a concrete.
Watch out. I want to sit in the tent, you know. Oh, it was your tent?
Yeah, it was.
Jesus,
Yeah,
please.
So we have to organize a big beach clean up. Alright, you know what is the height of the sand?
Yeah. Bulge.
Yeah, the height of the road that's saying come down and the road. About this height it should be. So we have to go scrape off back all of that. And then some put up back over there. Yo, holy, Yo, once we get the tractor around them man, it's about easy.
Push down.
Yeah, the tractor.
Watch out, father.
Like, all of them are gone.
I remember this shop. There was a
Yeah,
Jesus,
all of this
please.
gone. Just demolish.
Yo. Watch out, man. Watch out, man. No, sir. Hey, bless up my father. Big up and respect here that manners, you know. Yeah, brother. Come on. Yo. Why would I tell you say some people feel it, brother. Manners. Big up, respect. Yo. And a normal thing, this, brother. So that house there, somebody normally living at that house there?
That is this tribe by Dean and Beryl, you know.
Oh, by Dean and Beryl.
Dean, Recky, Beryl. Deal with it away, and then Melissa come up the other side.
Jeez,
So this
please.
now, look on the height.
And this normally be fence, remember how the
Alright,
fence is
so
there, so.
look on the height that stand up coming at this. The floor right out.
Jesus Christ.
See the tile them there.
Watch
So you
out.
can see in the height, the veranda floor lower than the floor we all look on now. So the veranda floor then down more.
You know the video?
All of them 2 or 3 inches more.
Cash away at them.
Yeah man, I have all of video them on the channel.
Yes, man. No
Yeah.
joke. So much if you have to, if
man.
you want to see like even in the art
man.
of Wagwan,
Yeah.
you can go over
Yeah,
to
even
Cameron
before-
family.
Even before this time guys, check out Cameron Family TV, we have a lot of videos over there. Yeah man. Yeah no brother.
No joke. Rough,
Wait,
brother.
wait.
Hey, me there my spouse said to me, say, Father God, I'll Cameron them. I wonder how Cameron them a hold up down there, you know. And sit
We never there man. We
It's God here behind me, go on easy off a little bit. Makes sense.
deal with that.
Cheese and peace.
Come on.
Come on.
Brother, I tell you,
Wicked.
wicked man.
Come on.
Every structure where they at least between 20 and 30 feet from the sea, damage. Yeah. Every one of the
Jaja.
structure.
How long does it stay?
Cause the wave them come right over it.
Oh, yo.
Wave them in that come right over it
Right over in that sense, I lick up on it.
and a leaky house. The wave them come and go break off out in the road.
See how Godfather they are going dig up some sand and sit.
That's some amazing time I take up.
Cheese and
Now we
peace.
have to reconstruct back the whole of this.
And get the HQ up and running again, not true?
Yeah man. Rough,
I say me can take a walk, me can walk go straight down and go towards the village, not true?
Yeah. But keep closer to the beach.
To the sea.
Sea urchin them.
Sea urchin them.
Yeah.
What is it?
This them called sea egg.
Mm.
If this joke here, you have to piss on it, you know.
So you just take it up like that?
No, you can't take it up, but if you step on it or if you hold it too hard, it will jump. And they're very pointed.
So you have to
sea
go-
urchin are millions And them I go encounter with up there. So where they all of the seagrass there.
Yeah.
Millions of them. When you go up there, you will see them. Millions of sea urchins. So
Make sure so we don't step on that.
Yeah.
I take them up.
yeah.
Like how you do it.
Yeah, no, but I take them up. You have to know how to take them up.
So you say, if you take this up and you joke, we have a pee on it.
Yeah, you have to pee.
So you pee do?
You pee, then say pee, lift it out of your skin. I never pee on my own, I just use needle and dig out.
And dig it out. Oh, that means that you're very experienced in getting sea urchin.
Yeah. Right now, I'm supposed to have peace in my foot.
Area, sir.
About 2 years now.
And then come out.
So when they come up, your body push you out by itself. Yeah.
Well, we're going to avoid that.
Yes, I avoid them at all costs. Millions of them, you're going to buck up on millions of them up on the beach. Yeah, man, so big up yourself, walk by.
Always, my brother, man. Heart of love, man.
Respect,
Can't come down here and give you a showcase on the side there. So, massive, if you want to see all everything what go on, definitely look at and check out Cameron from the TV. Yeah, man, I no joke thing. Man, crazy.
Yeah, man, crazy, man.
So, yeah, massive. Trust me. So, we're in Old Harbour Bay, and yeah, me see it. And we just showing exactly what going on with Old Harbour Bay right now. Whole heap of damage. Yeah, man. Yeah. Sea urchin. So at this camera did I tell me about the sea urchin. See that? You must make sure that this not juke you. Because you have to go pee on it. You understand? Watch it. Millions of sea urchins. It's for real, man. At first I really see it still, so I don't know it. You understand? Oi oi. Jano. So we just take a walk through massive. Yo, there's like a million of them for real, man. Cameron, right, man. Watch out. No joke. Watch out. So massive, this is the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Watch out. Everything where you see there's a sea urchin. See that? So I make sure I walk good. That's this thing don't juke me in my foot and cause no damage. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt, boy. So we are walking through the community, you know, we're talking to a few people. You don't know, see what go on with everybody, see how everybody hold up, see how everything go on. You see me? If you just join the video, please, me I beg you. See? Like the video. Yeah, Godfather, bless up, you know. Yeah. Big up yourself, my teacher. Respect, you know. Oh yeah, oh this is so unique. We have to find a way if you just get it out, get out the water. Yeah man. That's a code. Are you doing all of this by yourself? You. So we can see them make a trench to make the water run out to go to the sea. You know what I mean? To make it go to the sea, because majority of the place just full up with water. So this is a brilliant idea. Raj, pre this. This is a unique thing, man. Them actually create a trench to get the water out of the community. So them build a trench for the water run out of the community. Yeah man, say some man do it. See that?
Oh, yeah, man, cause
the water pile up, so might as well. Go to the sea. Yo. I'm going to see what I go on there, see. Hold on, let me take it easy, you know. Yeah. Go that way, my friend. Some freelance vlogger there, I try to see what I go on, my friend. Big up on yourself. If you don't want to catch on camera, if you don't want to depend on you, don't know. Yeah, man, see that? So what you can see is that many of these houses are actually underwater. Them do some decent work to try to get the water out of the community back in the sea. You see me I say? I blow this blow, come here, say no brother. Watch out man. No Joe, no doubt. See all up on the roof there. Yeah, Raj, go and see what's going on over there, so man. There's a piece of shop up on the... Yeah. Let me see what's going on. Manners and respect, you know what I mean? Yeah, me now come cross, me just I look, you know, that's why me I said first, you know, no. No man, no lie. I Jamaica walk by man, you know the thing man. Yeah, me can't, all over my place, me have to come down here, brother. Yeah, bro. So yeah, me can video without catching up on it. I want to catch little while, I want to go out right there, so car. Without me have to catch, you know, on a face, because I know what's up going on. Yeah. Nah, man, we not. You're showing the damage market. Let me tap for a second. Big up on yourself, bro. I mean, you want to bite? Yeah, me teacher. Yo, but you not sleep. But I want good work this year, you know, from the sea trench, you know. Yo.
I can't see.
Yo, everywhere, yeah. Are we everywhere? Come on, bro. Yo. So, yeah, I just clean out the debris out of it, so.
Listen, the water have to run out. So you take out this, you run faster.
Oh, bro. Come in, man. Come chat to me, man. Yo, a crazy work this year doing, bro. Soldier, what go on? Jaja, no. So, you see actually come way up, so. I see it still with running, so. The house flood out?
He come in there, but you know, like, come high up on
You get where I say, bro. A serious, yo. My father, this is not normal, bro, G. One Jamaica walk by, watch me, I saw me stay, brother. Jaja, no. Water like, whoa. Whoa, yo. Oh, my word, brother. Make me go across. Me have my foot them in a plastic bag still, you know. You see me? Jaja, no. Come up here, there. Massive. When me tell you, say some people feel it, you know, man. Some people feel it, you know, brother. And a normal thing, you know, brother. Look here, man. Yo, my teacher, big up, you know, bro, G. Yeah, me I say, you know what I mean? See, the dip on it said speed. Yeah, man. Brother, I mean, I tell you, say, even run as I come here for turn back, Raj, because when I look on water and sit, I say, I can't manage this today. Yeah. You understand? I know them living out if I go did it. I could have, right now, I made it a burn off, my friend.
No, Mr. Why don't I dig the trench?
The trench, because this is water you have to fight. No, well, I want to drop off. Your glasses drop off in the water, now. No good again, I mean, a fresh thing that.
I saw water, man. Eh? No, you're good. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's your word. See how my brother, I'm not video this time, man. You go on, you know, big up and respect. You see me? You can turn on the TV, everybody tell us, say,
I see you, dog.
For Jamaica, walk by, grandma, blessings and respect.
But, I see up to man.
Yeah. Yo, yeah, because when I see him, you have a life vest around him, raincoat and thing, I say, yeah, man, I have circles and make sure it's everybody good, man. I have him. Yeah. When I see him, man, I couldn't even make him out. Yeah, man. Jaja, no, around the same stuff. Yo.
You couldn't make him out, but you know you do.
That's why I have to live love in and heal and give everybody with respect. You understand? Boy, I'm a teacher, I tell you, say, don't so. Get it hard. I not tell you, man, because a camera. Where's the left a grand with you?
Oh, yeah, me, man, give a thanks, man.
All right, then. So that means that me have to, all right, then. No see a word. No, man, you can't, no disrespect, no, then, that. No disrespect, no, then, that, my friend. Yeah, man, when me there, me talk, what me mean. And thing. Jaja, bro. So, what you do? Let me see where you go, yeah, sir. Right now, I swim where I swim cross. What you say? Jaja, no.
Okay.
Jaja, no.
Yo. Oh, you know if you have video too?
I mean, good man.
Good man. This a man I know a thing, man.
Yeah,
I'm
man,
here to see
him
the
good man. Walk it. I mean, I want to scan that back for the foot. I said, I don't water full up in there, but you don't know where go.
One deep hole with this, so 10 for walk.
I know, so I see him, because like in that video, I see him part me tapping now.
Yeah, man, one hole.
Yeah, man.
Tell a virgin.
Yeah. Jaja know.
10 for walking I boat. Walking I boat.
Yeah, walk inside the boat there. No, well, me tap straight in I see him all again to blow out.
Yeah, walk when walk.
So my boss, how long this will take for run off?
Boss, this will take about a week.
About a week.
I'm still a flaggy brother.
Yeah, dog. When me that video that side of me forward and when me look and see heap of water, I say people.
Boat a float around there, man.
Yeah, man, the boat them did a float all inside there. I am man, big up yourself. You're not no food there. You're not cook. You're not cook. Where crab there? Jesus peace, man. We are some man. Good God, man. Me like when you call me name, you know. I'm not cook food. Cheese and peace, massive. Yo, look upon the destruction, man. Come on. Father. So, right now, see there, me tell you about I want that deep spot this again. Me can't cross, yeah.
If I go back across,
Yeah.
I see him walk.
I forgot walk back there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You can walk and say no.
I don't go and do nothing, me could go cross it, so. What is my name again?
Jason.
Jason. Eel, man. Big up and everything. Me now go in and I still remember what you say,
Yeah,
you know.
man,
You know what I mean? But from then say crab me there, you know.
Alright, what do you think, man? Me there, so I go do what I have to do. Me now go away. Right,
Me say, it kind people that want to see. Remember, so I have one heap of friends and family right across the road who want to see what go on, you know. Yes, man.
At least I know nothing for you, brother. I see you something.
I see you sitting, man. Because the people that want to see what go on and the MP them have to go notice that them have to go come on and so come see what go on as well. So if me have a platform, can I show you, I'll show you. Yeah, no joke thing. Cheese and peace, see the kids everywhere. See them house there? Underwater. How far Dolly this? Dolly ain't afraid of water? All have a bay forward from? Yeah. Stop and chat to me now, man. We are run go, man. Nobody run go. Yeah, no beautiful girl, no shy, man. Talk to me a little bit. So, which part end when it's time going? Eh? A rackle? Where you say wrap up with Ozzy? Tight! Me no wrong you. That's a cool, man. You go on. You come out door even though the weather. And weather look this. You go on. Which other business place? Eh? Alright, which one? Me I go for? You up in today? Jesus and peace. Everything? I don't know, star. Alright, me I go down, so I see crab around and say, so we go get some crab. No, me so forward, me no gone away, like my father. Me no gone away. No. There, big up my teacher. Oh, so which part of the roadway? So we're just walking in water. Cheese and people. Hold on, let me catch walk one. I don't mean business today. Crab around. I one crab that gone in the pot already. Oh, because...
Buy the ginger, yes.
I wonder what I go do. That crab a dive off in a pot. Hunting. Weather cooking. Blouse and skirt, massive. Boat afloat. So I don't normally have to keep the boat them. How do they draw them off by seaside? Yeah. Smart move. Jaja no open water, man. Big up yourself, my teacher. Art I love, you know what I mean? Come here, my friend, man. Come chat to me now, man. Nobody run, man. Yeah, right now I'm thirsty. I want to shop this juice, I said. Thirsty, man. Brownie. Jaja no.
You can't walk down in the lane, there's a thing because only for flood man down in the lane, the right down in the bottom part.
Which lane this? Right, sir?
Yeah, man.
Jaja no. So right now, by looks at things, any more hardware now, they just run the boat from the sea, come to park it.
Yeah, man. To be like good.
I wonder what can do about this fee. Make the water not really stay like this. I think if some drain set up, if some drain set up, the water can find somewhere to run. What do you think?
The drain don't make no sense. You see, drain, you don't make no sense. You need more wave breaker. Break your sea. So if you see you get the more wave breaker them for break, you see better.
Pack up some big stone like
Yeah.
for them pack.
Jane no make nothing because you saw waterland. Jane not gonna make nothing. All the water will flood over Jane.
You still want the Jane?
Yeah, because that me I say, you know. So like it there, so you just want one little space to say when you see you gone back out, it just run off from you so to it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because them over there so build some makeshift drain around TC and it's a work, you know.
Yeah, man.
The water run out, so probably a whole light go run from you so
The
too.
whole like Jane in them out there.
You see, we have breaker. If we have
Yeah, even when a camera me there and camera show me how much inches of sand in a female HQ much they say, you know, say it drain would probably block up for real. And then you have no work cut out for you know if you go
what they say,
clear
we
it.
have breaker never did the whole house them flood out.
Charge no.
We have break up with two.
We have breaker them.
We have breaker them.
Yeah,
Have
later.
some big stone on the front
There's
I
something
see.
out
When then big wave them come on the land, they break you know and see.
That need in every fishing
Village.
You want the Jane them come on, the Jane
Every fishing village should have a wave breaker. Have a wave breaker them.
Charge no bro. Well at least we there and we can smile see because we have life. Things with our worse when they're there with baby kids, them good, them alright. Big up on yourself. Crab can boil. I don't know how much crab I have. How much crab I got around the car?
See, I'm a woman.
Tree crab them a while.
Let's crash on with 3 crab.
Let's go pro.
No, that one I nano. Yeah. DJ nano. So, boy, I'm never gonna run left a pot then, because no crab not did that for me. Cheese and people. I go see what go on. Yeah man, big up on yourself huh? That's a cool man. Boy, I tell you say liquor no don't so wicked. Swear bro. Me say when the storm just I go starting alright, that's so I coming on bed and me tell me wave start beat and me see sing then start beat down. Me say hey oh, I'm out. And me tapping on one hole right there so I say yeah man I hit that for me done. Me run out brother and try make it back on my yard go secure 2 things. I go down in the lane, see? Mad. What the man name again? What your name? Nicholas, huh? Amber. Amber God. Big up yourself, my boss. You have to call her by name. So, when the virgin can see it and go down here and say, yeah, man, a them, man. Big up my teacher. Yeah, massive. Yo, me now go in. Remember, my word is what me have, you know. Me have more than what me have this. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Why, Raj, you know look good. So now we're ready for swim. Yo. Bro. Jaja no. Jaja no. This is serious. Yeah man. Which way we go cross here and go in a fishing village. And make a way out. The fishing village behind you. Yeah. Yo, which one to walk reach over there so? See, yes. Lord of mercy. No, sir. Look at man. Crazy destruction. Jaja no. People, when me tell you say some people have a yard, you know, man. Some people have a yard, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. And yo, me go through some of the yard, so car. See there? Washing machine outside, bed outside. I just whole heap of things are going. Watch yourself, youth. Watch yourself, youth. We are go through. Yeah. Jamaica hop by, now a Jamaica swim by. Whole heap of makeshift step. And thing. Jaja no. Rough. Yeah man. Huh? Yeah, oh based on the gravel heap, not true. How much you see that? As no well pinpoint to me so you can see how high the water did actually there. Based on the gravel heap, you can see that? Look at this. If you see how short the water did there, so if you can watch the balance, watch straight across. You know, so most of them people out here did have in water. See a duck, watch duck a swim. See duck they are swimming now, bro. Huh. Make we take a look at stroll go by fishing village. People them want to see it, man. Watch. Yo, that house is completely surrounded by water, you know. Eh? Can you imagine this? People, that house is completely surrounded by water. Completely surrounded by water. Look there. Look at this. Yo, me teacher, somebody live in there? Nobody in the house, eh? One girl live over there. Why? So how she come out? Jaja no. Big up, bless up my teacher. Respect, you know? Man. Yo. Raj, help the lady cross. You want to lift you up cross you? And we lift you up and cross you, man. I could go on. Big up, me don't want to splash. I'm take my time go in there.
Eh?
Big up yourself, you're my sister.
The key in my bag.
Heart of love. Cheese and peas, such a duck a swim. So this is a fishing village. You know what I mean? Yes, brother. Shaman. Oh my word, bro.
Safari goes on our side. I try Google.
Which part of that? Oh yeah, you know, so when I come back that side, I go walk, come down the lane there. Jaja no. Yeah, my teacher. It's crazy, man. Yes, sir. Manners, respect. Old Harbour Bay fishing village. And thing. Must even remember when I fall the water there, all of them places. Greetings, you see? Big up and respect, you see me? Remember when I reach down the water there, all of them places. That's why people them try to clean up and things. Bro, you see me there, all of them places are water, my friend. So one look a pool left right or so. Come on. Manners and respect, you hear that? Heart I love every time, man. We are going to build back, you know?
Yes.
Blessings, man. Yeah, man. So this is Old Harbour Bay, the biggest fishing village in Jamaica. Yes, man. Oh yeah, right now I can't even program it. To tell you the truth. And full up. Eh? Where's your program? My lace wet up, you know? Alright, my friend, time my lace. Thank you so much.
Next to the car with terrorists.
Nah, do not, man. I respect. Are you?
Me a gangster.
Big up and respect, man. Lot of people. Big up, man. Respect, you see me? No joke. Yeah, man. The bill back straight. Bill back, man. Yeah, man. No joke. Yeah, man. Come in now. Yeah, you know what? That's all. Let me go to the village. Or I can say, come on and see what going in also. Yeah, we are going to the village. Yeah, man, that me I say, want to show them it. Yeah. We take it, man. Peace. Go on. Manners, my teacher. Blessed, see? The fishing village. Hello, blessed, good day. Fire wagon. Manners, my teacher. Yeah. Big up, respect. Yeah. Yo, what go on? There. No man. Raj, none of them places when me forward you can't pass. None of them places. Be water. How kind of fish them am I teacher?
Purge.
Purge. Not a cool. Yeah, he's a fisherman? Yeah. Not a cool.
I see them.
Purge. Yeah, man. Yeah. Purge. I don't really know fish like that, you know. Normally, there's no woman be the part there because God know. Yeah, I don't really know them like that. Yeah. Fry and browns too. Massive. I tell you. Raj, I want to know the fish and them thing there, man. You know, I thought the fish. Yeah. Yo, dog. God do. Yo, sir. The sister, what going? Jesus, peace, brother. Jamaica walk by there, I tell you, say, and a normal place. Godfather, you go easy. You see your face? Go see. What you doing here, my brother? Big up my teacher. Jamaica walk by there. Massive of my general is I will grow with this somebody from where I look at you before I know myself. Why you comfortable do, boy? One go see. He'll be boss. Big mechanic. One of the biggest mechanic in the world. Bannister.
Right.
Yeah? Why be I tell you star? Watch your place, man. After I start, there must be a calm. And there's a calm before the storm. Blows and skirt. You alright, my sister?
Yeah, man.
I love no, man. I go and capture what I go on. I show the people them what I go on, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man, tree root up. Shajano, fire. Blessings and respect, you know, man. Eh? So just I take down everything and just rebuild it fresh.
You know me, fam.
You look familiar, you know.
Familiar?
Yeah.
I'm here sleep on TV all the while by the time of the week, just stress free.
Jaja no. Hey! Hey!
Oh! Merry Christmas! We lost. Bury her for me. And Melissa, me take Emma for her name. Congo Elisa act like that. When she's calm, she can be Melissa. Melissa, you know, Lisa, for yourself from me and not give you no money. And mash you up. You think you put me back as square one? I am above and beyond the beyond. You know, in America, electrical computer storm. Which with no lightning and thunder. Augustus, you know August? Well, you know October. Hello, sir. Mr. White.
You know the pan highway.
I don't want the pan. I don't want the pan.
A 3-station interview me from morning.
Well, me the pan bite of the week 7 times on the television Jamaica.
Yes, you're not easy, man.
General,
So
buy me a drink. 3 bills can buy me rum. Whether me General.
Yeah, man, I go deep, but I tell him so I can't. Me no walk with this, man.
Water Sir, I'm not top for I am out trailer.
Yo, I swear.
Video bar in the kitchen now. And video Carla the bar.
Jesus Christ.
Here and Mr.
Yeah.
Mr. McIntosh.
There's a boat race there.
That's me 1st August.
I did say that push.
You
this.
see man a yellow shirt?
Yeah.
You know me man, just stress free. Next boat my
Yeah,
shirt style, is it?
Yeah, bro.
King.
They are see what I go on with the Old Harbour Bay, you know what I mean?
King.
Yeah.
Just one power.
Yeah, man, no see a word, man. Come in. Me that circle on the edge to see him, you know.
Coming on all way first. Me have a talent. Big draw.
Man, as always, man. I love every time, man. How you say, man? Just I show them what I go on with the place. See me? Yeah, man, anytime, man. On the place, man. People, them are rebuild fast. You see it? Jaja, no. Look good. This is Old Harbour Bay massive. word. Majority of them places are flooded out, you know, man. So this them have to do, you know, them have to build the trench them from the side there. Build them so that the water could have run out. For go back and see. You see me? Yeah, man. Crazy thing. Crazy. Man, as my teacher. That is it. Ball game. Old Harbour Bay. So massive big up and respect and thank you so much for watching. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Mr. Son, go on bad man and clean up fast. Fast. So yes, massive. There you have it. Big up to everybody who stayed tuned and watched the entire video. This has been Old Harbour Bay. Oh my word. Aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. It has been crazy. Trust me, whole heap of destruction, whole heap of people go through it right now. Whole heap of people actually I do them best to hold it out. So you know what I mean? Prayers up for everybody. I hope everybody can get some support for get through a time like this. You see me I say fishing village damage, whole heap of in and around the surroundings. Watch out straight through this and we are going to come. I done soak already, done mash up and me reach in, me just bathe. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. So big up to each and everybody who watch the video and thing. You see me? No joke, no doubt. Let's go. So Raj, what do you think about Old Harbour Bay, bro?
Well, I don't know, mash up, bro. As I can see, all of them places mash up. You
Mash
see
up.
how they see them all on the beach everywhere?
Yeah, the sea urchin sitting there.
Yo, no, they see sea urchin them.
Millions of them.
Millions of sea urchin on the beach.
Yes, so massive if you don't know this brother here. His name Raj.
They don't know.
You understand? Raj, introduce yourself. Make them know
Alright,
you.
so my channel is like the biggest fishing channel in Jamaica. SFJ, lifestyle, whole heap of adventure, travel, hunting, all of that. So if you're about that kind of life or you love those kind of content, you can go and check them out. Alright?
No joke, I don't know we have him general. Yo, Noel!
Yo, Noel, you don't know.
All magnet
We're
fishing.
there live and direct outside. I capture and I showcase everything so you can see what's going on. So when I dog there, dogs are not even a breed.
Yeah, my breeding. Yeah,
My
right.
breed?
Yeah.
So it looks up.
Yeah, so massive want to subscribe to the general, yo, Noel channel. You know what I mean? As you just showcase the Old Harbour Bay massive and destruction is everywhere. The fishing village is going to take a lot of work to get back up and running. Me I tell you the truth. So I don't know, man. So everybody we can assess and assist these persons in building back. Please me I ask if you do so. You see me I say, yeah man. So heart of love to everybody we've been watching Jamaica walk by. Yeah man. Right, that is it. Right back out there, so. But we are going to find them still. I just me a fast. Jaja, no, look here, man. Yeah, man, me know, man. We are go back through the village, man. But me just should see what I go on as we are go through. Oh my word. There's so much damage. So massive big up. Thank you so much for watching. Super appreciate every single person. I hope this video given a good description as to what really happened down here. And there's so much places to see. And there's so much other places down here, but me just watch you and make sure so I can't see. Stay tuned for on Jamaica Walk by watching other videos them as we go through and showcase real life. My sister.
Yes, big up yourself, man.
Heart
I
of love,
man,
yeah?
man.
That's a code, man. Blessings and respect. Yeah, man. Eh? You call me back? Rocks! Alright, pull again! Jesus. Jag it tight. Hey, you know, easy.
When you go, you have to pull.
Give me a hug. Big up
Big
yourself.
up yourself, my general.
Heart of love, hear that?
Heart of
Blessings, my friend. Oh, my word. Man, I want to see if I can find something to buy her a drink. Hold on. I couldn't leave and find something for the sister. You know what I mean? 2 times she stopped me on time, yes. And all of them things, so I like them kind gesture there. So, massive head out of Old Harbour Bay, you know. And big up to Cameron Family TV. Big up to Spearfishing Jamaica, you don't know. Noel, my general also, you see me I say?
Yeah.
You don't know. Yo Noel him channel name, so remember that.
Yo,
you see me?
I cover content of St. Thomas and in Kingston. I have video of Port Royal during the hurricane, video of Sandy Gully during the hurricane. You know the big massive gully where all of the water flowing. Yeah, right at sea view there. So I have Outhouse, Bull Bay side, all them good things. So if no one say that, go over to my channel and watch it.
Yo Noel, that's YOW, right?
Yeah.
That's a cool.
Or Magnet Fish in Jamaica. Once you search anyone, Magnet Fish in Jamaica or Yo Noel, it will come out.
That is it. So big up my boss, big up for everybody who watch the video. You don't know the great man himself, Raj. Big up yourself, my teacher. We there, you see it. Old Harbour Bay. No normal, my friend, no normal. No stay tuned. Martin, keep watching.